Okay, let's dive into this. Welcome to this rapid-fire explainer where we're going to unlock the secrets of the cell nucleus, the absolute master blueprint of life. So, ever wonder what keeps your cells running so perfectly? Well, meet the nucleus. It's the true brain of the cell, basically a microscopic powerhouse that's orchestrating everything happening inside you right this very second.
Section 1. Inside the control center.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is that protective outer boundary you see. We call this the nuclear envelope. It's actually a double phospholipid membrane, and its job is to completely separate the nucleus from the cytoplasm. And those little gaps, those are the nuclear pores. Think of them as highly regulated security gates that control exactly what goes in and out. Okay, so right past those security gates, you'll find a specialized granular fluid known as the nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm. It completely fills the space inside the nuclear envelope, creating the absolute perfect environment for all those vital components to just thrive. And floating right there within that fluid is this super complex network called chromatin. Chromatin. This is exactly how your vital genetic code is safely packaged up whenever a cell isn't dividing. Basically, it's the bundled up instructions that make you, well, you.
Section 2. Reading the master blueprint. Let's move to this and see how this all builds together.
Look at that spinning double helix structure. Yep, this is your DNA. The nucleus holds your entire genetic code right here. It is the ultimate blueprint, containing absolutely all the hereditary information needed to create new cells and pass down traits.
But listen, it's not just some passive storage locker. The nucleus is a highly active control center. Sure, it stores DNA, but it also regulates cell growth and controls cell reproduction. It's continuously sending out these crucial marching orders, things like RNA and proteins, right back out through those nuclear pores to the rest of the cell.
Section 3. The cellular CEO.
And this brilliantly illustrates the whole concept. Think of it this way. If the entire cell is a massive, bustling factory, the nucleus is the CEO sitting in the corner office. Without this essential manager calling the shots, the factory simply wouldn't know how to repair itself, how to operate, or even how to divide.
So, the crucial point is this. Quick recap. DNA storage, control center, and growth manager. That's the mighty nucleus explained in under 2 minutes. It's honestly mind-blowing to think about just how much power and absolute control over life is packed into such an incredibly microscopic space, isn't it? Thanks for watching this explainer, and hey, make sure to subscribe for more biology hacks.